guys, and welcome back to our channel. My name's Jennifer and this is
Ashlynn.
And today we are here to do
my Stitch Fix unboxing today.
For those of you who don't know, Stitch Fix is a clothing subscription service where a stylist chooses some items for you. You do pay the $20 styling fee, but that styling fee does get credited to anything that you decide to keep in the box. If you decide to keep all of the items in the box, then you get a 25% discount. I get my boxes monthly and she gets hers about every 3 months. So we're gonna go ahead and dive right into the box. Inside the box, you've got your envelope with your price invoice, and you've got your stylist note. I'm gonna quickly read Ashlynn's stylist note, and her stylist has been Erica. And it says, "Hi Ashlynn, it's your fix day. I'm sorry I wasn't able to find any jean short-alls for you today, but Pinky promised to look for a pair to send to you in the future. Until then, I picked out these pink shorts for a similar look to the blue jean ones you liked last time. Have fun mixing and matching it with today's tops to discover your favorite look. Then for the perfect mix of style and comfort, check out this jumpsuit. I can't wait to hear what you think of it, so please have your mom let me know if she checks out. Lastly, get ready for your first pool party of the season with this ruffled swimsuit. Ooh. Just throw on the pink shorts and these cute sandals for a pool-ready look. Enjoy, Erica." Here is that prepaid mailer that we talked about. We've got a shoe bag, and we're gonna start with that first. All right, so here are the sandals. Those look really cute. They've got some cute little beading.
And it has like my two favorite colors, and I think the peach on it is like really cute, and with the white and some like light blue. That
would match what you have on right now. So we will try those on to see how she likes them. So we'll put this to the side. We'll try those on with some of the outfits. You have two bundles. Let's look at the first bundle. All right.
Really. First we have like this pink shirt with some white stripes.
Okay, I'm gonna hold it up. This is a really soft little shirt. It has a cute little tie front knot detail on the top. Super soft. Ashlynn loves pink, so I think she's really gonna like that one. What do you think? Yes? Okay.
And next we have like this Danish suit that she was talking about.
It's really cute. It's pink. It's got some floral. It's got some ruffled
little like sleeves.
Do you like the ruffled little top?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, do you like that?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, on to the next.
Okay.
Oh,
it's the jumpsuit.
Okay, so we have this blue floral jumpsuit. It is long. It's pants length, so it cinches in at the waist. There's like a little elastic cinch in at the waist, some ruffles here at the top. And here's what the floral looks like. Do you like that?
Mm-hmm.
Looks a little big. I'm not sure. We'll have to see how that fits. Okay.
It looks a little big to me too. Last we have in this file is some pink shorts. They're not as stretchy as last time.
So last time she got some blue jean shorts that were super stretchy. But these are adorable. I love that pink. What do you think?
I think this is like a peachy pink, like my shirt.
Yep. She liked the frayed hem on the last pair of jean shorts, and so those are super cute. All right, we have another bundle, and here is the second bundle.
First in this stack, we have this cute little flower shirt.
Okay, so we have this, ooh, it's really soft. Did you feel it? And stretchy.
Ooh, stretchy.
So it's a cute little floral top. It's got this crisscross detail on the back. I really like the colors on that. That would be cute with those little shorts that you just took out of the box.
These little pink
Because it's got some pink in there. That would be cute, possibly. We'll try that on. What's next?
Next we have this.
It's a navy blue top, and it's got some cursive writing there, and it says the future is bright. And it's got this little floral hem here on the bottom for a little extra detail. It has a cross detail on the back. So what do you think about that one? You like this one?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, okay. It's another t-shirt. Oh, their shirts always feel so good. It's very stretchy, very soft, and so it's got some sparkly and shiny stuff on it. So perfect for summer to wear with some shorts. Okay.
Next, we have these like dark blue shorts, and like these
They have
little straps right here.
Yeah, they have a little tie in the front. So they are navy blue and white shorts. You can tell they're brand new because the tie's not been pulled on it at all. But they're just little cotton shorts, striped, and they're medium. They look like they may be a little big, so we'll have to see. The great thing about Stitch Fix is you can always exchange clothes for a smaller or bigger size if they have it available. Do you like those?
Mm-hmm.
She wears a lot of these types of shorts in the summertime just for comfort. She's kind of a comfy clothes girl most of the summer. All right, and last in the box
is these gray shorts with some white things. I just pulled on them, so that's why it looks like that.
So these also look a little bit big. We'll have to see. You know how things are. They look big sometimes when you're pulling them out of the box, but then you try them on and they fit perfectly. I'm sure if we cinch it in at the waist, it will be good. But this one looks like, let me see, they are cuffed, and it's got like the little stitching here to cuff it. So it'll have that like little cuffed short. And it's just a basic gray short with a white drawstring. So I would go with a lot of those shirts. So what are we going to do next, Ashlynn?
Try them on.
We're going to try them on. So we'll be right back. All right, guys. So we are back with the first two items from Ashlynn's box. And the first item is this jumpsuit, the one-piece jumpsuit. And the second item is the sandals that she has on her feet. So go ahead, Ashlynn. Tell them about the items.
I think the jumpsuit is cute because like these little ruffles on the side and like these ruffles that go all the way to the back. And the one thing I like about it most is like the flowers on it. And what I like about the sandals is like they have this little coloring right here, which is very, 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 very cute.
So overall, we think this fits really well. The little ruffles are cute. She likes it. The sandals she likes, and they seem to fit her feet really well. So on to the next outfit. All right, guys, so we are back with the next item, and it is the swimsuit that she was sent by her stylist, and it's this really cute pink floral. So Ashlynn, what do you think?
I think about this swimsuit is like, it has my favorite color of pink on it, like the whole background, and I like the flowers very much.
What about the ruffled top? Do you like that?
Yeah, and it goes all the way down to like right here, which is very, very cute.
And she put on the sandals back with it like she suggested. What do you think? Thumbs up?
Uh-huh. And the other one's thumbs up too.
Okay, on to the next outfit. All right, so we are back with this next outfit, and she tried on the kind of pink shorts and this floral tank top. And Ashlynn, what do you think?
I think I like about this shirt and these shorts is they both have pink on them.
The shorts seem to fit her really, really well. Go ahead and turn around and show them the crisscross in the back. That's really super cute. So what do you think about this outfit? Is it good?
Mm-hmm.
Good outfit?
2 thumbs up.
2 thumbs up.
Like the other one.
All right, we are back with the next top. This is that knot top in pink, and Ashlynn wanted to try it on with the pink shorts. So Ashlynn, tell them what you think.
And I like the white, and it kind of goes with my shorts.
So this would be a good top to go with some jean shorts, whether it be these pink ones or she has a pair of the blue jean shorts that would look good with too. Do you like the knot on the front?
Yeah.
The material, it feels really soft and comfortable. So what do you think? Thumbs up?
Mm-hmm. 2 thumbs up.
All right, guys, so we are back with the next outfit, and Ashlynn has on this blue, navy blue shirt and the gray shorts. And so go ahead and tell them about the shirt.
I like it about the shirt is it says the
Future.
future is bright.
But the shorts, let's talk about the shorts.
I like the shorts, but they're a little too big.
So we're finding that the shorts that we talked about earlier, that when we pulled them out of the box we thought were too big, are actually too big. So I think we're going to check into sizing down. They are really cute. They're just a little bit big. So, but the shirts are fitting just fine. So on to the next outfit. As we are back with the last outfit, and we have these navy blue striped shorts on and this teal blue top. And Ashlynn, what do you think about the top?
I think about the top is I like the silver, and it has like glitter on the pretty and like silver on this side and like blue writing.
But the one thing we're noticing is it's a little bit big because it hangs really low in the back, and it's kind of trying to hang off of her shoulder and down on the front. So we think we're going to have to try to size down in the shirt. And then the shorts, show them the shorts. Pull up the top. So they're just kind of like the gray shorts. They're just a little bit big. I have them tied up pretty tight right now, but I think we like them. They're just a little bit too big. So, all right guys, so we are back to do a recap and talk about some prices. And so the first item that we have is this Love Glam Girl Lanie swing graphic tee in navy, and it's a size medium, and it's $18. And we thought this one fit pretty good, didn't we, Ashlynn? Okay, so I think we're gonna keep that one. Next was the swimsuit. It is cotton on Carri Ruffle detail one-piece swimsuit in pink, and it's a size 8, and it was $24. And I think we're gonna keep that one, right? Next was the Love Glam Girl Marti tie knot tee in teal green. This is this one, and we like this one. It's just too big, so we're gonna have to see if we can exchange it for a smaller size. It's really soft and comfy. We just need a smaller size. So we're gonna put that one in this pile. And that shirt was $14. Next are the cutoff shorts by Warp and Weft in, it says it's salmon, but it's a really light kind of pink coral. And they are a size 8, and they are $24. And you like those, right? And they fit really good. Next is the RUMI and RYDER, the crossback tank in turquoise, and that was this top. And Ashlynn, we thought it fit really well, didn't we? So we're gonna keep that one. The next on the invoice, oh, and did I say the price of that? That one was $14 as well. Next is the Persaya Girl Kiley knot front tee in pink. Had the little knot on the front. This one was in a medium. It was $14, and this one fit really well too. Next was the cotton on Carri woven ruffle jumpsuit in blue, size 8. And it seemed to fit her really well, so I think we're gonna keep that one, right? Next are the Mia Kids Whitneyy ankle strap sandal in light pink, size 1. And those are the sandals here. And I think we're gonna keep those. Ashlynn really liked those, didn't you? So we're gonna put that in our keep pile. Then we have the shorts, the RUMI and RYDER Lori knit Dolphin short in navy and medium. And these are just a little bit too big. I forgot to say the sandals were $30. These shorts are $16, so I think we're gonna try to exchange them as well. And then the last item was the RUMI and RYDER Peni scoop pocket knit short in gray, size medium, and these are $16. So we're gonna try to exchange those as well. So we liked everything in the box, we just had a few sizing issues. So the stylist pick subtotal was $198. The buy all discount of 25% was $49.50 that you take off. The order subtotal was $148.50. And then we get to apply our $20 styling fee, which is $20. Shipping's free, and so the total for all 10 items in the box is only $128.50 for all those items. So we are definitely going to see if we can exchange some items. Did you like everything in this box, Ashlynn? Yeah, so we think this was a good box. So we're going to leave our referral link in the description box below. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them. Until next time.
Bye.
Bye, guys.